Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to recover Pi network account on iPhone. Firstly, launch the Pi network mining app on your iPhone and choose the option with continue with phone number. Pick your country from the drop-down list and make sure it's the same number used when first registered on Pi. Tap submit. Now, tap password forgotten on the login screen, then tap recover account. Confirm your country and phone number one more time, then tap submit. Pi will ask you to send a text message to a specific recovery number. You must send the SMS to only one of these countries: Australia, Belgium, United Kingdom, and United States. This will draft an SMS with a 6-digit code to send. Simply send that message as it is from your device. Wait for a few seconds or minutes from the system to verify the SMS, and once verified, the app will prompt you to create a new password. Follow these instructions and then tap submit. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.